We don't have many rules, really. There are 7?
Apparently.
Wow. The contestants are usually most upset about the fact that only they can do the painting, so they can hire any other trades that they want.
No working ahead. If you've got a bathroom for the week, you only are allowed to work in that bathroom.
Now you'll hear Scotty on a Sunday morning say, tools down. So 6 p.m, we can't make any building noise. If we catch some tradies or contestants making extra noise, we'll either do a shutdown the next morning for an hour or 2, or if we're in a good mood, we'll pretend we didn't hear it.
We do really want a competition where they bring their own ideas to it. It'd be a bit dull if they all went off and hired an interior designer. It's a DIY competition at the end of the day.
No more than 50% discount on trades or goods provided. It's a good rule and it keeps it fair for everybody.
Something that all tradies and contestants have to do to get on site, they've got to be inducted. And tradies especially, they've got to have their white card, their swims and their insurances. And that can be big trouble for contestants if they don't pre-organise this.
And we're building houses that have to be compliant. When we have had contestants cut corners with the build, if we find it out, we'll make them rip it out and start again.